Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I'm gonna tell you the 5 easy steps to prepare your face before applying makeups. And when you finish this video, you can begin to use foundation or other skin product that you lined up on your clean skin. And hope na magustuhan niyo po. Number 1. Wash your face. Wash your face with lukewarm water. Use a soap and mild cleanser to help you even out your skin tone. This will further help make your skin smoother. You need to wash your face with a gentle cleanser that has no harsh ingredient and won't leave your skin feeling like the desert. Choosing the right cleanser is the first step toward preparing your face for makeup. Number 2. Exfoliating. Exfoliating allows you to remove dead skin cells and reveals a fresher, smoother makeup application. How to choose the right exfoliator? Look for a gentle daily exfoliator scrub with tiny granules that are circular in shape. Rough and irregular ingredients may be harmful as they could tear your skin and make excessively dry. Rinse your face well with lukewarm water so that your makeup does not thicken when applied. Don't forget to exfoliate your neck. Number 3. Toner. Once you have exfoliating your skin well, apply a toner or serum and wait for a few seconds for it to dry. Toner is useful for those with extremely oily skin, while serum works wonderfully for those with dry skin as it hydrates the face. Number 4. Moisturize your face. Before applying makeup, you will want to use a light moisturizer to not make the base oily. Make sure you use a moisturizer that suits on your skin type and offers an all-day hydration. One way to apply it is to press the moisturizer onto your skin instead of rubbing it in. This will allow the solution to properly seep into your skin and stimulate your skin cells. Number 5. Apply your primer. Primer acts as a protective barrier that prevents your moisturizer and skin's oil balance from mixing with your makeup. Primer also acts as a barrier to fill in any lines in your skin so that makeup does not crease in them. If you have acne-prone skin, a light green primer will work well to counter the redness.